Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 11th question in exercise 7.6. So let's look at the first subdivision, e power x dx divided by 1 plus e power x into 2 plus e power x. We are going to make the substitution e power x is equal to t. So this means e power x dx is equal to dt. So the numerator for this integration will change simply to dt. The denominator will become 1 plus t into 2 plus t. Now this is of the form of partial fractions. So let's do that. So a divided by 1 plus t plus b divided by 2 plus t is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus t into 2 plus t. So if you cross multiply a into 2 plus t plus b into 1 plus t is equal to 1. I'm just comparing the numerator so we can ignore the denominator. Now let's put t is equal to minus 1, which means b will vanish. So a into 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, which means a is equal to 1. Now let's put t is equal to minus 2, which means b will be calculated. So b into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equal to 1. So b is equal to minus 1. Now this fraction will now get modified. So this will become integral of 1 divided by 1 plus, taking the minus sign outside for b. So 1 divided by 2 plus t dt. Now you can directly integrate, apply the formula. So this is going to be log of 1 plus t minus log of 2 plus t. So now you can put the t's value back into e power x. So this is going to be equal to log of 1 plus e power x minus log of 2 plus e power x plus c. We can also rewrite this as log of 1 plus e power x, the whole thing divided by 2 plus e power x plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. In the second sum, it is integral dx divided by e power 2x plus 1. So I'm going to take e power 2x from every term in the denominator outside. So this will become dx divided by e power 2x into 1 plus 1 by e power 2x. Now we are going to substitute this expression 1 plus e power 2x as t. So let's do that. 1 plus 1 by e power 2x is equal to t. So on differentiation, this will become 1 will either way go. So this is minus 2 divided by e power 2x dx is equal to dt. So now we already have dx divided by e power 2x in the integration. So let's find the value for that. So dx divided by e power 2x is minus dt divided by 2. Let's substitute everything in the integration. So this will be the integral of minus dt by 2, the whole thing divided by t. So we can take the minus 1 by 2 outside. This will become integral dt by t. So let's integrate. So minus 1 by 2 log t plus c. Let's put back the t value. So minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus 1 by e power 2x plus c. Within the logarithm, let's take LCM. So minus 1 by 2 log of e power 2x plus 1 divided by e power 2x plus c. We can bring the minus sign alone inside the log. So this will be 1 by 2 log of e power 2x divided by e power 2x plus 1 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 12th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.